Hi and welcome to this short video. This is about the sound problems that some people have with the Atem 2ME Production Studio 4K. So actually I ordered this device 3 times and cancelled it 2 times because every time after I ordered it I found this horrible videos about the noise. And this here is now my device, and I was really pleased to realize that it's not so that the noise is not so loud as I have expected it. So it's a kind of there, but it's very, very low. So now we go on the back side, because this is here built into this rack, and here you can also hear there's no real problem with the loudness of this device. So maybe if you really have your studio and your microphone exactly right next to it, it can be a problem, but it's not like some people told at YouTube that it's as loud as a vacuum cleaner. So don't be afraid, you can buy it. Bye.